This is Chris, the Idaho Painter, here on Paint Life TV. Today I'm going to give you a bunch of tips why you should carry a tough gaff with you at all times to protect your frog tape. So reason number one why you'd want to carry a tough gaff is so you always have your tape with you and ready, available at all times. There's nothing like needing some tape or to do any type of masking and not having the tape with you. With a tough gaff, it's on your side, readily available, always. So reason number two why you should carry a tough gaff with you to protect your frog tape is so your frog tape doesn't fall on the ground out of your hands or however you're carrying it. If it falls on the ground into wet grass or any area that's got moisture, the polymer on the outside of the tape is going to swell. It's going to ruin your frog tape. So always have a tough gaff. That way your frog tape doesn't fall on the grass. Are you enjoying the video so far? Are you finding it helpful? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time we come out with more of this free content. And now let's get back to the video. So reason number three why you should carry a tough gaff to protect your frog tape is so your frog tape is with you. It doesn't fall on the ground, it's on your side, because if you step on it, that's another thing that could actually ruin your frog tape and make it very difficult to use. So have a tough gaff. Maya, Louie, Maya, come on. So reason number four why you should have a tough gaff with you to carry your tape is so you don't have to carry it on your wrist like a bracelet. Just gonna get in the way. So reason number five why you should have a tough gaff is it's simply the best tool ever made for carrying your tape. So reason number six that you should carry a tough gaff is simply it's the fastest tool ever used for getting your tape. So reason number seven why I carry a tough gaff is I used to carry my tape in my mouth all the time, but frog tape has a polymer on the outside that your saliva is going to cause a swell and it is going to ruin your frog tape. So the tough gaff is how I now carry my tape. So reason number eight why you should carry a tough gaff with you at all times, or why I carry one with me at all times, is so I don't have to have my apprentices carry my tape around for me. It is the tough gaff. It's a well-made tool. I've never broken one. It'll last pretty much a lifetime. Well, a lifetime possibly. It's a great tool available at Paint Life Supply Co. It'll hold inch tape, inch and a half tape. It'll hold 2 rolls of tape. Sometimes I carry around 2 rolls on it. If you've ever used it, let us know what you think about it down in the comment section below. Ow. Oh,